This is how to use Inkowl refillable cartridges for CANON PGI-280 and CLI-281. Our easy-to-refill cartridges offer you the cost savings of refilling without any of the hassle. There is no need to drill and seal holes, and their translucent design allows you to easily see when you need to refill. Here is how to fill Inkowl's refillable cartridges. Step 1. Make sure the orange refill clip is firmly attached to the cartridge. The refill clip is required to prevent the cartridge from leaking out during filling. Step 2. Remove the ink plug and inject the ink. You will notice that the sponge part of the cartridge will absorb ink from the reservoir part. Keep topping up the ink until both compartments are filled to capacity. Step 3. Put the ink plug back into place and remove the refill clip for installation. Be sure to keep the refill clips for your next refill. Note that these cartridges come with a permanent chip that does not display the ink level on the printer screen. Instead, you will need to periodically check on the cartridges and refill them as needed. Since the cartridges are translucent, this is very easy to do. Inkowl's refillable cartridges for CANON PGI-280 and CLI-281. Affordable, reliable, high quality, and easy to use. Take a moment, think green, think refilling, think Inkowl.